welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about World's Hello Day. That's a very simple day which has been celebrated every year on 21st of November. Now it's a day which expresses love, respect, humanity with each other. It may sound extremely basic as it encourages people to take opportunity to simply greet each other and to recognize how important simple communication in our daily lives. The story how it came to be is quite an interesting one. However, before knowing the history of World's Hello Day, I would like to, on behalf of everyone in our academy through Learn and Earn, wish hello to all of you. If you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Now, World Hello Day was first created in 1973 in order to show people, especially the people of Middle East, that conflicts can and should be resolved through communication and not violence. The idea is that a clear, honest communication can lead to peace. In 1970, the conflict between Egypt and Israel was quite severe, and many people began to fear another huge war would end up coming of it. Now, World Hello Day was in fact created as a direct response to the Yom Kippur War that had just finished in October of 1973, during which thousands of soldiers and innocent civilians were killed. Some soldiers has also been tortured and executed. Now, the peace discussions at the end of the war was the first time that Arab and Israeli officials met for direct public discussion in 25 years. The concept of Hello Day was created by Brian McCormack, a PhD graduate of Arizona State University, and Michael McCormack, a graduate of Harvard. Over the last 42 years since its creation, World's Hello Day has been celebrated in 180 countries, as citizens of each of these countries take advantage of this time to express their concerns for world peace. Now, this is very important and equally peaceful, and feels grateful, your mindfulness that you greet people who are around. And this day gives you the opportunity to greet as many people as you can every day. Now, participating in World's Hello Day is quite simple. All you have to do is to say hello to at least 10 people during one day. This is supposed to send a message of openness and goodwill to others. And the creators of holiday, this day has been specially to demonstrate how communication can be instrumental in resolving disputes and preventing conflicts. And that is why it's very important for us to come out and discuss about the problems we have with others. The more we speak, the more we discuss, the better solutions we get. And it is equally important for us to express love, gratitude and respect towards people who mean us and who really make the difference in our lives. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.